I realized that I don't have a sounds on this video, guys. So I was going to take you guys to feed my animals. I have 2 goats and still have 5 more chickens. My chickens is pretty old. It's not laying some eggs anymore. But yeah, so come with me to give them food because they are been waiting since this morning. It's already 1 p.m. right now, and it's a beautiful day. So there looks pretty happy. And look at those 4 chickens. The other one is in the other side, right there. And look at that, my goat is been waiting. Like, hey, come on, mama. I'm hungry. Come feed us. So let's see. Let's me grab some food first. The food is inside the shop, so I have to grab them. So they keep patiently waiting. And yeah, those 5 chickens, they're not really laying eggs anymore. They actually too old to lay some eggs. They are 4 years old or 5 years old already. So they are old. But yeah, we just keep them. Hopefully this summer or spring I will get some more chickens because eggs is expensive, so we better have some free organic eggs. So I'll buy some chicks later on, and I'm excited to show you guys too. So let's go ahead and feed this two. That's a baby, and then that's the mama. They are both super nice. They always waiting for their grains. So I have the grains in there. I'm just gonna put in their bowl, and later on they actually go there and eat some grass, but usually they're lazy, they just wait. So this is where they sleep. This is their pen. You guys can see it's very cool, and this is my chicken pen. I used to have a lot of chickens, and this is where they hang, and that's their thing when they lay the eggs. So yeah, my husband built that. It's pretty cool, huh? I love it. And yeah, so that's how I live in the farm with my animals, and I also have 5 cats. I'll show you guys later on too. So yeah, my ghost has a big yard that they can go play around, and we have the fence over here. And yeah, there you go, one of my kitty. My uh kitty there. Okay, I mean that's it for now. Oh, I forgot to give them some treats, so I can back because they really love these apple treats. So yeah, that's the mama, that's the baby. They love apple treats, so I just give them some. So that's it.